Now getting your data deleted on your Windows PC or laptop and sooner or later realizing no, you really need it and now you wonder that how exactly you need to get it back. But no worries, today in this video guys, I will share 4 effective methods that you can check and you can apply in order to recover your deleted data back. Now the very first method is very simple and probably applicable for only few people, but still you can make a try. Now most of the people, what they do, when they try to delete any file, they select it and click on delete. But this file basically go to the recycle bin, and if you open the recycle bin, you will find your file over here. You can make a right click on it and click on restore, and the file will be back here again. And now the next method is also very simple, where we will be using the Windows feature only, that is file history. So even if you delete any file permanently from your any of the location like document, C drive or any of the other drive, then what you can do, bring up the settings. In the setting you have to search for file, and in the suggestion you will be getting restore your file with file history. Click on it and it will bring up this kind of dashboard listing all the location from where you can recover your data. So let's say if you have deleted any of your data from the desktop, then you can click on it and this will list you all the files that are being backed up where you can easily recover it. Even you can find the date. My last backup was on November 26th of 2025 at this period of time, and it shows you all the available data that you can recover. So let's say if you have deleted this one, so you can easily recover it from here. Similarly, if you have deleted any data from the document, then you can go to the document and you can see this Windows 11 25 H2 ISO I deleted. Let me show you. And if I bring up the file explorer, go to the document, so you will find the Windows 11 ISO doesn't exist here because I already deleted it. But as that file was being backed up, I can easily find in the file history here, and from this location only I can recover this file. Now there might be many of you who don't find all this location here in the file history, then the chances are you have disabled the file history backup. And if yes, then you will have no luck as you will not be able to recover the data from this option. But for the future precaution, what you can do, you can click on Windows search, type file history, click on file history from the suggestion, and here you can enable this option. Alright, now let's move to the next method where we will be using the third-party application, third-party software that will be helping us to recover the data. And the name of the software will be the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, a very popular tool that basically go in the depth, increases the chances of recovering any kind of your lost data, either from your hard drive, SSD, or even from the SD card. So I will leave the link in the description. You can come to this website and it says EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. You need to click on free trial, wait for the downloading. Once downloading been done, just go with the basic installation. And very soon you will be getting this kind of dashboard. And here you will find many kind of categories. On the left hand side in the hardware disk, you will find your all kind of external drive, then your internal drive, all the location like the recycle bin, desktop, or even you can choose any specific folder that you want to. Then you have the SD card, NAS and Linux, file repair, and you can see it says repair corrupted or unplayable videos. Alright, now here for the demonstration, what I will do, I have a pen drive here, and if I bring it up, you will find that I have 2 pictures, one video, one PDF file, one Google Chrome ZF file. So I will select them all, then press the delete key. Once deleted, now I will also go ahead and delete from the recycle bin. So my file are being permanently deleted from this pen drive, and you can see it says the folder is empty. Now I will show you that how easily I can recover this using this EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. And if I bring it up, so here I can select my USB that shows me under the external drive. Once selected, I just need to click on search for lost data, and it will start searching for all the deleted data that can be recovered from your pen drive. And even it will list you all kind of categories that you can view, either with the picture side, with the videos, with the document, email, and all other kind of categories. Now this may take some time depending that how much data you have to be recovered. So you will have to keep some patience here. And in case if you have only few files to be recovered, so you can easily find that on the right hand side. I have those 5 files over here that was being deleted. So what I can do now, I can stop the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. I can tell them that now you don't need to look for any other further deleted data. Then I will select these document and pictures, videos that I got deleted. Once I will select it, on the right hand side, I will click on recover. Then it will ask me where exactly you want to recover. On the right side of this drive, you see the green tick that EaseUS is recommending you that these are the best location to save your data, to recover your data, sorry. So I will go and select my external SSD here, that is Extreme SSD, and then click on save and bingo. Once the data will be recovered, now I can bring up this folder and boom. So now you can see that we got all our data back. And if I make it large, so you can see that all these 2 pictures, and even if I bring it up, it's coming up. Then I have my PDF file here and then this video file. So this way guys, you can immediately recover your data without any kind of problem using this best EaseUS data recovery wizard. Now the only thing that you have to keep in mind that with the EaseUS data recovery wizard, you can only recover the data up to 2 GB for absolutely free. But if you have the data more than 2 GB, then you will have to go and look into their plan. And now let's move with the last method that will be working for you for absolutely free. However, the chances are not too much as the EaseUS data recovery wizard because it's a paid tool and give you the best possibility to recover the data. But still I want that you should have a look into it. Now I have a pen drive here. So what I will do, I will right click on it and format it. And then I will try to recover the data using this free third-party tool. So you will have to come to this website. The link will be in the description. Here for the Windows, you will have to click on Windows 64-bit. The file will be downloaded in a zip file. So once downloaded, extract the file and run this photorec.win.exe file. And very soon you will be getting this kind of dashboard, this kind of command prompt. It will list you all kind of your USB, your external drive, all kind of internal drive. You need to select the one from where you have lost the data. And all the information will be given below it. Say select a media and choose proceed using the arrow key. So I lost the data from my SanDisk USB that was around 30 GB. So I will select it. Next, it will ask you some more information like what kind of file system it has, NTFS or FAT, then you have to pick it and so on. It will give you some kind of prompt that you need to follow. Now I have already created a dedicated video on this topic where I have explained step by step that how you have to recover the data using this application, this software. And I tried to recover the formatted data and this tool worked for me. It helped me to recover my permanently deleted formatted data back. So these are the 4 best recommendations from my side that you can try in order to recover the permanently deleted data, formatted data on a Windows PC and laptop. And if you really found the video informative guys, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.